In this video, I'll show you how to file 1099 forms with QuickBooks. First, open QuickBooks online and go to Payroll, then Contractors. Intuit's current guide says this is where you start the 1099 workflow by choosing Prepare 1099s. QuickBooks. Online can help you prepare 1099-NEC and 1099-MISC forms using the contractor and payment data already in your account. Fees may apply for e-filing, depending on your setup. Next, review your company information and make sure your business name, tax ID, email, and address are correct. After that, confirm which expense accounts should be tracked for 1099 reporting and map each account to the correct 1099 box. Intuit says most businesses use non-employee compensation, Box 1 on Form 1099-NEC, but you should choose the box that matches the type of payment you made. Then review your contractors. Make sure the right contractors are marked for 1099s and that their tax details and email addresses are correct. Once everything looks good, continue through the filing steps and choose whether you want to e-file through QuickBooks or print and mail the forms instead. QuickBooks can also send copies to contractors by email or let you mail printed copies. One important thing to remember is that QuickBooks supports federal filing and some state filing, but not every state situation is covered, especially when special state rules apply. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.